Hey guys, welcome back, and now let's talk about the new stable OTA update for OnePlus 5 and 5T users. If you guys remember, the last OTA update for 5.1.6 was only out 2 weeks back, and there's a new update already in the form of OxygenOS version 5.1.7. It's a very minor update as you can judge by seeing the update size, which is only 38 MB, and I have no idea when OnePlus is going to push the Pi update for OnePlus 5 and 5T users. This is also a staged rollout, so you have to use a VPN app, set it to France like I did, and you will be getting the update notification instantly. Alternatively, you can also manually flash the OTA or full ROM, and the installation procedure is written in the description below. If you check the changelog, almost everything is same as previous update, like project treble support, VoLTE support for Idea network, improved Bluetooth stability for phone calls, and a security patch update to October. In addition to this update also fixes the stability issue with Bluetooth for cars. I have downloaded it via OTA and installed it with 0 errors. The OxygenOS version is 5.1.7, security patch level is of October 1, and the build date is November 5. About the changes, as we have already talked, project treble support is there. With the previous updates, some people did have issues with VoLTE for Idea. If this update fixed anything, let me know about it guys in the comments below. The update also includes stability fix for Bluetooth, particularly regarding Bluetooth use with cars. I don't have a car, so I never noticed any issues regarding the Bluetooth, but I did notice some people commenting about the stability issue with Bluetooth for cars. Next, there is a new gesture support for Gallery app. Now you can simply swipe down on any wallpaper to get back to the Gallery timeline. This is not exactly a part of OS update. You have to manually update the Gallery app from the Google Play Store to get this feature. So that is it about the changes. With previous update, Antutu version 7 benchmark score was 2,03,591. Let's test it again and see if it got any better. And yes, the score got improved and now it is 2,07,014. Geekbench for single core score is 1982 and multi-core score is 6666 compared to 1977 and 6760 with previous update. That's all. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys soon in my next video.